Hi there. My name is Christina Torres. I am the founder of Thinking Mats. This year at your child's school, we'll be using the Thinking Mat to help solve conflicts, express emotions, and refocus their brains for learning, all in a calm, step by step way. The Thinking Mat is a simple but powerful tool because it's all rooted in evidence based practices for social emotional learning, conflict resolution, and neuroscience. And guess what? You can use this simple 3 step process at home too. Since your child will already be using the mat at school, it will be even easier for you to do. By bringing this practice into your home, you will soon see a major difference in your child. You will witness them transition from angry to calm, anxious to relax, and nervous to self assured, all thanks to this simple yet effective practice. So let's dive in. Thinking mats are a step by step visual tool for students using the simple 3 step process. Step one, what happened? Step two, how did it make you feel? And step three, how can we solve the problem? Now, you're probably wondering, how and why does this work? Well, the reason is this simple process works because the thinking mat is rooted in brain science. The 3 step process combined with the visuals and tactile mat helps kids' brains move from the fight or flight, known as the amygdala part of the brain, to their thinking part of the brain, known as their frontal cortex. When kids feel safe and supported, they can shift from meltdown to thinking mode. Now, let's be real. Parenting is full of tough moments, tantrums, sibling fights, homework meltdowns, and sometimes you just want to press pause. That's where the thinking mat comes in. It's a simple tool used in schools and for families to help kids slow down, talk it out, and think clearly. For families, the thinking mat also strengthens your connection with your child. It invites you to listen, share, and problem solve together, building trust, communication, and emotional safety at home. When kids learn to manage their emotions, they're more focused, ready to learn, and better able to collaborate. Research shows emotional regulation is a key predictor of academic success. So, when your child is upset, frustrated, or having a tough moment, sit down together and ask, what happened? Let your child describe the situation in their own words. Then repeat in your own words what you heard them say. Then share your experience. Next, ask them, how did it make you feel? Invite them to name their feelings, whether it was mad, sad, frustrated. Then take a turn and name your own feelings. Last, ask, how can we solve the problem? Here's where you'll work together to find a solution or a next step. Once you both agree, then you know you've both solved your problem by working together. This simple practice mirrors what your child is already learning at school. When you use it at home, even without the mat, your child builds consistency and confidence. Whether it's bedtime battles, sibling arguments, or homework frustration, this 3 step process gives you and your child a clear path forward. The more practice your child gets, their brains will strengthen their neural pathways that help build lifelong skills, emotional awareness, empathy, responsibility, and critical thinking, all essential for lifelong success. So the next time big feelings show up, try these 3 steps together. Small moments of practice today lead to big growth tomorrow. The best part, you don't have to do this alone. When home and school work together, your child thrives. Let's build these skills, one conversation at a time.